Hi, I'm Jan from velomobielworld.com and I make today a video especially for Leggero. He asked me what is included in the special toolkit, and I have here the special toolkit beside me, and I will show you. So these are the 3 tools which are in the special toolkit. This is to get the rear axle out. This is for maintenance the brakes. We have it in 70 millimeters and for the 90 millimeter brakes. And this tool is for measuring the track of your velomobile. For more details what you can do exactly with the tools, I have multiple videos made. I will send Leggero also the link in order he can put them in the description if he wants. And have fun there in Korea. Bye bye. If you came all the way here, you might like our content. You could really help us out with subscribing, put the notifications on, let a comment behind what you want to see next time.